Alright, it's cold now and it can't come on even with the hard reset. As you can see, I'm doing the hard reset and it's not putting up. Okay, let's try a little heat and see what happens. Cool.
This thing, I guess.
Yeah. As you can see, we have the Apple logo. And it's on. See that? It's kind of a weird problem how to believe, but yeah, it comes on. Said I'll be doing it with my iPhone. So yeah, did it again. It's hard. You just had to make it hit it. No, I don't know why it does that, but it does.
So the phone is good now. So it's the code this thing that is worrying the phone.